Hello everybody, it's Mason here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the top 8 characters who I think would be a better Captain America than Falcon. Now, if you haven't seen Endgame, I'd recommend you leaving this video and going to see it. But if you haven't and you just want to kind of figure out what happens in it, you can stay. But, Sam Wilson is an okay Captain America from what I can tell in the comics, but I don't think he would be the best option for Captain America. So I think there are some better ones that I thought of earlier today. So I'm going to be telling you who I think are some better ones for the new Captain America. So I'll be showing you some pictures of the characters, along with a little bit of information about each one. So number 8 will be, one last thing, there's no specific order in which these are going. Number 8 will be Ant-Man. Ant-Man because he looked pretty cool in Civil War with the shield, and also because he's got shrinking tech, and if he used the shrinking tech, if he put some shrinking tech on the shield, it could go small or big with him, depending on if he went to the Goliath or the small Ant-Man. But yeah, I think he'd be an okay option, better than Falcon, I believe. Spider-Man. Now, Spider-Man did a couple adjustments to your shield right there. Sorry, Captain, but some adjustments to his suit. That would be pretty cool. Now, one second. There we go. I think if he did it, they would look like that. And I think that would be a great appearance for the MCU. I mean, that just looks so cool. I love that suit. So I hope that, it would be cool if that did happen. I hope that Spider-Man does steal Cap's shield and become Captain Man or Captain Spider or whatever. Number 6 will be Dr. Green, aka Professor Hulk from Endgame. Now, this is Hulk. I know it's not Professor Hulk, it's just the original Hulk. But I think that if he made his shield bigger, like Cap's shield a lot bigger so his arm could actually fit through. Because what we've seen, I don't think this new Hulk heals as fast as the old Hulk. So the shield may come in handy so he won't have to heal, or he heals a lot slower. So if he did have the shield, he wouldn't need to take it all because he'd have the shield to reflect it. So I think that would be pretty cool for him to have it, and he could change the colors up just a little to green. Number 5 will be Rocket Raccoon. I think Rocket Raccoon would look pretty cool with Cap's shield, and he's a great fighter too. So if he had a gun on him, he'd be pretty good, just like a smaller gun, and he also would really do well with the shield, because guns are usually used on him, so he can't really do anything, where if he had Cap's shield, he could block more. There's a picture of Rocket. And I think he would just do really well with the shield. And of course, we have to include Rocket's best friend, Groot. Groot, I think, since his arms can grow, there we go. So since his arms could grow, he could have Cap's shield, and just if somebody was further away, he could extend his arm and and he wouldn't even have to throw it. He could just extend his arm and hit them or something. And then the next person on this list is none other than the God of Thunder, Thor. Not the Endgame Thor, because the Endgame Thor isn't that good with anything really, besides getting drunk. But I think that Infinity War Thor would actually do really well with Cap's shield, because he could just throw it up and then hit it with Stormbreaker or something, and it would go flying and be more powerful. Well, it would hit harder, yeah. And then number 2 will be Black Panther. I think Black Panther, since his group in Wakanda makes vibranium, so they could do some extra touches on Cap's shield to make it stronger and stuff. So the chances would be smaller for it to break and stuff. So I think he would be a good option. And one second, would be Bucky Barnes. Now, remember the picture I showed you with Spider-Man that looked cool? Now, if Bucky Barnes got the shield, we'd have another story with that. That looks pretty cool, and I think he could do very well with the shield. The only problem is he does sometimes turn bad, but I think if he had the shield, his friends may be able to help him out. But he also has a gun and a metal arm, so he'd be double metal. His metal arm and his vibranium shield, pow, pow. But, so yeah, that concludes my list. So let me know what you think in the comments. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll answer them. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.